Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for creating stunning designs using Canva. Today, we're going to show you how to create beautiful and personalized birthday cards with Canva. Canva is an amazing tool for designing all sorts of creative projects, and birthday cards are no exception. Whether you want to create a fun, whimsical card or an elegant, sophisticated one, Canva has you covered. Let's get started. Choosing a template. First, head over to the template library and search for birthday cards. Canva offers a wide variety of templates to choose from. Select one that fits the style and theme you have in mind for your card. Customizing your card. Now, it's time to customize. Start by changing the text to include your personal birthday message. You can also add images, icons, and illustrations to make the card unique. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it easy to move elements around and create a layout that you love. Choosing fonts and colors. Choosing the right fonts and colors is crucial for creating a visually appealing card. Canva offers a variety of font styles and color palettes. Pick fonts that match the tone of your message and colors that complement your overall design. Adding decorative elements. To add a special touch, incorporate decorative elements like borders, icons, and patterns. Canva has a vast library of design elements that you can use to enhance your card and make it stand out. Reviewing and finalizing. Once you're happy with your design, review your card to ensure all the details are correct. Make any final adjustments needed to perfect your card. Exporting and printing. Finally, it's time to export and print your card. Download your design as a high-quality PDF or PNG. You can print it at home or take it to a professional printer for a polished finish. And that's it. Creating birthday cards with Canva is fun, easy, and allows you to add a personal touch to your celebrations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.